as we keep getting more releases, the releases, in my opinion, get better and better. What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have Slumber Party Sasha Repro comparison to the original Slumber Party Sasha. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to open her. She looks so amazing. So the things to bring, I wish that they would have kept that. Like, okay, so Sasha's things to bring is music. So she has those extra items, the boombox, hair comb, CDs, like literal CDs that come out and you can place them into the boombox. She basically comes with everything here. Let's see. Yep. Okay, so I'm like going back and forth. I see the diary, the pen, the hair clip, the nails, nail polish, toothbrush, toothpaste, and hair wand. She still has her eye mask. Her face is a little different. I do like it. It's in the same color scheme, but the way that it came out printed is different. But I do like that they matched up the same color scheme. This is ultimate, like, Bratz hairstyle for me. I love this hairstyle. This is one of my favorites. Like, the first time that I saw this hairstyle, I believe it was on a Head Games Dana. So yeah, and then to have it on Sasha, she ate. Coats are a little different. OG has a little bit more fluff and frill at the top and around the wrist portion, as far as the Repro does not. A little bit more solid. I've seen that the Runway Babies are gonna have some of the Slumber Party cell phones. So, not cell phones, excuse me, just phones in general. So I'm very excited for that. Let's take a look on the back. This is the Repro. So, girl, let's see what Sasha was giving. Okay, so she wasn't that much lighter before in person. Okay, so I'm just now looking at the camera. On the camera, they are drastically different. I mean, in person, they're different in person, guys, but I do feel like on my camera right here, they are coming off a little bit more drastically different than what I'm getting in person. Anywho, her background photo, absolutely darker, because that photo is that character is even darker than that Sasha. So she looks good. I'm liking the revamp. I'm liking the updated. And so the original, they came with their second outfits in the promo. And then the new Repro, you can see them in their first outfits. And it looks like hand-painted models. Fresh out the back, I have her poster. Once again, I'm so happy that they come with posters. This is so nice. I'm all for double-sided posters. So in the future, I would not mind seeing like a scene set up with like something from an advertisement of these hand-painted girls maybe on the back. Maybe even set up like in this scene, but on the back, and then have the original artwork on the other side. Loving that. Just putting that out there in the atmosphere. I was assuming that her poster would be more melanated, more correct, you know, than the original. And I do have the original here. She looks gorgeous. I'm like, did they change anything? Okay, yeah, they did change a little something. So her logo is in a lower place, and the whole color of the background is a little different. Now, there have been several editions of Slumber Party, so I'm not too sure if it is a poster that is a little bit more accurate to this one versus the one that I have, but just the one that I have here, we can see what she is giving. And these posters are 11 by 17. You can get the frames on Amazon. So we are on one of my Slumber Party shelves that I got together for this special occasion. So just a real quick look. I have twins Tess. Both are Tess right here. She is actually wearing Slumber Party Sasha's original coat, so we can kind of see the difference here. Before I get into anything, actually, again, I absolutely love this Repro. Hold on. Tess is falling over. I opened Jade. I fell in love with her hair, how soft it was. I opened Megan. I already had an original Megan before, so she was like, you know, giving her OG vibes. And now that I have Sasha, I'm like, we can't tell my sister too early, but I'm definitely getting her one of these for Christmas because what, $23? She's too cute. I have the Repro Megan's clothes on Tess on the left. That is one of Summer Party Sasha's original bags. And then we have her original shoes with the flocking. Okay, comparison. The new shoes flocking are a lot lighter. There it is again. And more yellow tone. As the original is a little bit more peachy yellow. A twinge, a hinge of orange in there. And then, like I said, the new one kind of matches her bunny a little bit more. Girl, give it up for Bunny. Like, did they not literally recreate these pets? What? These little plushies? As we keep getting more releases, the releases, in my opinion, get better and better. Okay, I did take out the, what's it called? Boombox here. And I just wanted to show you how real it gets. Like, with the CD, you can literally take it out, place it on the boombox, close it, act like you're playing a song. Things to bring. I don't know whose things to bring this one is. I cannot remember, but I do have someone's original things to bring. I love these things. I love to see the Bratz accessories, especially like new in the casing, in the original packaging. This one is the Repro, but the Repro looks so good. Her robe, let's go ahead and kind of untie her robe. Okay, so there is a small little hold, so I kind of want to leave that to leave her in this outfit for a while. So we're just going to do a soft comparison. Look at her top. Like, okay, so everything is a little bit more yellow, pale tone, a lighter tone, slightly lighter color scheme, I would say. So her top is a little lighter. Her robe over here, you can see, is a little bit more peachy tone. And then they went a slight more yellow tone with the new Repro. Not mad at it. I'm not mad at all. The pants, oh my gosh, so they're way more saturated. The duck looks way more detailed, which I love. The original looks cute, like a little ducky, but this new Repro, they ate. They really ate. I love the new clothes. So when it comes to the top, I actually favor the Repro a little bit more for the top, but when it comes to the pants, no. I hate the fit of the new ones, or at least the pair that I got, because I do know that with Bratz, sometimes you can get just a really bad batch that the clothes fit too tight or they fit too loose or it's just odd, and then you get another one and it fits perfect. So I do favor the original a little bit more. But as far as Repro, they did a pretty good job. The shirt, I will say, is a 10 out of 10. The pants, we're close. We're in the family. We're almost there. It just needed a little bit better cut. All right, guys, here you are seeing the bottom row of the Slumber Party session. So I did locate Slumber Party Sasha's original diary here, and it is following the same theme of a little bit more peachiness in comparison to the Repro. Also, the pin is a little bit different. Just specifically, like, the ball of the pin is different. It's a little bit more gel-like and a not completely transparent, but closer to a transparent tone versus like that solid matte color. And the diary is missing all of its glitter sparkle, which I don't mind because it's still a very cute diary. I do wish that it was closer to the back to school lines notebooks where they were actual pages and literal like paper. So left to right, we have the original Slumber Party Sasha, looking gorgeous. Love all of her little things to bring. We have Moalola Felicia dressed oh so cute, oh so scrumptious, loving the candy theme. We have twins Nona looking all cute and adorable. We have Sweet Dreams Felicia looking all cute and adorable. We have Fashion Show or Fashion Runway, I think it's called Fashion Show Sasha, in a lot of pink. And mind you, I painted those shoes recently. Not my best work, but I thought it was just cute. The original style of those slippers are these pink ones, and then I painted them all white and brown and gave them just like a little bit of nose and eyes. This is another version of like the original slippers, so I kind of want to paint over these. The orange is a little scary. It just needs a little detail. Like maybe the ears could be orange, maybe the mouth, but the eyes need to be a little softer. So I have original Girls Night Out Sasha next to the Repro on the left, Girls Night Out Sasha. They did such a good job. the hair. Guys, all in all, I do recommend the Repro Slumber Party line. I honestly recommend them all, especially if it's just for the clothes. Like, these are the cutest clothes, the cutest plushies. They come with slippers. They come with little accessories. Like, so worth it. I'm so happy that I have all of them. And I almost have all of them unboxed. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Comment below who is your favorite Slumber Party doll. And if you are getting any of the... Oh my gosh. Hold on. We forgot the second row. So I did do a little photo shoot of this section when I had a few more Dylans up here. So sorry. I have 10th anniversary Dylan here. And he's rocking Megan's outfit, her first look. We have date night Dylan back there. He is rocking Chloe's, is that her second? No, that's her first look, pants. We have Sweet Dreams Felicia in her first outfit. And then we have Tokyo A Go-Go Dylan in a fashion pack. I believe it's called Up All Night fashion pack. And look at his sandals. I love the fashion packs are so cute. Bring back fashion packs. Okay, now we're done. So, like I said, you guys, give me a comment below, and I will see you in the next one. I love you. Don't forget to subscribe to Drew Galaxy. And like I said, I'll see you next time. Bye.